Holy shit, there's everyone. The party's here.
What the fuck? I don't know how to pick up the pistol before I could. Listen, I've managed to crawl away.
Yeah, come here, come here.
Yeah, what?
Come
I'm coming.
Come in here.
I'm in here. Help me! I think this is the first time in get back up. And not immediately be gunned down by some psychos. I'm gonna go ahead and nick this gun now. Oh, it's got the ammo! Oh, there's ammo right here. Quick, fuck.
I deserve it now, so...
Holy crap! Just ripped my armor apart! Nope, they're not. They are not dead.
Ow!
My friend! Oh, he has a friend. I want friends! That was a cheeky bullet. Oh, that black little... Oh my god, you're not gonna believe this.
What?
I found the bloody grenade one. Shut up!
How many rounds is it, out of curiosity?
A lot. I killed bun.
There's more...
Well, that would have been great if I had my grenade launcher out. I'm reloading!
We've got problems.
We do have some. Ah, I'm not gonna make it. Well, that was fun using the egg. It's very, suppressive?